So hi guys, in this video I will be telling you how you can boot your phone into recovery in two methods. One method is a very simple method where you can go into settings and you can go into my device and you can click on this MIUI version, but in my current MIUI version, MIUI like ROM, I can't be going inside this. So how to boot into recovery? By going into this, you can go into this, you'll be seeing the update menu. You can click, you can do a 3 taps on that and you will get a notification like telling you that advanced update features are on, and then you can click on that 3 dots and select reboot to recovery, and you can click on reboot, which will automatically reboot your phone into recovery without pressing any other buttons. So now the other way is by you can long press your phone. Since my phone has these new power menus, I can automatically reboot into recovery, which will give the reboot recovery command, so my phone will automatically reboot into TWRP or the stock recovery of MIUI. And you can power off your phone. You can press your power and volume up button. So if you power off, that's going to take you some time, so let's reboot the phone. So click on reboot and just keep on pressing your power up button. So when you hear a vibrating like beep, you can just take out that, so that your phone will automatically boot into recovery. Or you can keep on holding it until your phone boots into recovery. Both are okay. So as you can see, my phone did boot into recovery. So as you can see, it is booted into recovery. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.